Hey guys, we got to change our wiper blades on this Model 3. It's been about 3 years, I think, since it was installed. So we're going to press this little icon. We have to have our phone with us. We're going to get to the service one here at the bottom. Press that. And then we're going to go to wiper service mode. When we press that, the wipers come up a little bit so you can access them. And I put a couple of washcloths underneath them just so the metal part, when I remove the blade, won't scratch the glass. So let's go over how to take off the blades. We got a number 19 here on the edge. We're going to replace it with a generic Costco brand. It's inexpensive but really easy to do. So this is the smaller blade. This is the 19-inch. There's a little button right here. I'm going to press it. I'm going to bring the blade away from the car. Push in there. And I'm going to pull back. Pushed in that tab. And pull back. This is the 19. Let's get out the, I think it's a 26. So this is the longer one. This is on the driver's side. We're going to press in on that button and make it go out toward the passenger side. So press in, push out, and we're going to pull. It's a little harder to get out. I kind of wiggled it. That got it out. So pull and wiggle. I'm going to let that sit down on the washcloth so it doesn't touch the glass. We got the long one and the short one. Now we're going to switch them out. So we have the Costco Michelin, and we have a 19-inch and a 26-inch, the little one, the big one. Let's do the little one. I think these were only like $7 or $8 at Costco on sale. It's pretty good. So this is the Michelin one, the 19-inch. When you get out of the packet, let's get rid of these little protectors. We're just going to pull out like this to get that one off, and there's one on this side too. That one out. Okay, cool. Now we want to get this one out and replace it with another one of these little pieces that come with it. This one comes with it. This one comes with it. We're going to press in here. And then once this lifts up, we're going to pull, dislodge it. These little clips come out of this piece here. Comes out. Take this one. Put those little clips in there. Click it in. And then to make this fit for the Tesla, what we want to do is take this tab right here. There's an arrow pointing this way. We're going to pull that out, and we're going to lift this piece up. We don't want this C piece right here. We want the B piece underneath for Tesla. So we're going to pull this way. Now, I'll use a screwdriver to help me. Now, pushing this thing toward my thumb. And I'm going to slide this thing out of there. Got this thing back, and now I can slide this one up. This is the C. Get that out of the way, because what we want is the B. We should be able to slide it in now. Let's try it. Okay, so we have this kind of pointy thing. We want that pointed toward the driver's side of the car. This is the little one. We're now on the passenger side. The little guy goes on the passenger side. We're going to push it in going toward the driver's side. Should just go in there and click into place. Theoretically. Pushing it in. Yeah, it does click right in. That's cool. Not that hard to do. Set that down. Get the washcloth out of there. Now we'll do that bigger one. So again, it's been about 3 years, and these are streaking, so I'm going to change these out before the rainy season. I think it's better to probably change these out once every year for safety. But these are very inexpensive at Costco. This is the Michelin brand. Taking off these little protective covers. And once again, what we'll do is press in on the sides, pinch in, just to lift up. About 35 degrees. We're gonna just pull this thing out. It comes with a small piece. I think it's still in the package. We'll get that out of there. There we go. Comes with these two pieces. We're gonna use this one. Put those clips right there on that axle. Fix in. Nice. We do want to get rid of this thing that says C. It's the upper plate. I'm going to push this thing forward. And we can get underneath it. And we can lift out that piece C. Because if you leave C in, it won't fit in the Tesla. It comes out. We have one that says B. Okay, let's put that in. Okay, you guys, I got the pointy point pointing toward me, toward the driver's side of the car. Insert it in here, kind of the opposite way I took it out. There we go. That clicked in. Yeah. So, it's good. We'll take out the washcloths, and we're going to get this out of the service mode now. Go inside the car. Press this button here for service down here at the bottom. We're going to press wiper service mode. Let's test it out. Let's press this button on the side all the way in. We're going to start the car. Put on the brake. All right. Yeah, nice. No streaks. Wow. That is like new. Cool. Hope this helps you guys. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. And also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.